guys, welcome back to my channel. I am making some Nutella brownies and I just want to share this real quick. Nutella brownies are really easy to make and you don't always have the brownie mix, like in your pantry. Sometimes you might have to run to the store, so Nutella brownies are really good and I think they're a lot better for you too. Anyways, so I buttered my pan. I just got the little Rachel Ray one that looks like this, and I just buttered it. I love using the challenge butter, this one, the spreadable one. It like melts really fast, so you don't have to melt it. And just rub it on there, make sure your hands are clean, rub it on there. And this is 1 1/4 cup Nutella. I kind of put a little bit less, and flour and 2 eggs. And the flour is like I think a cup, or sorry, half a cup. Anyway, so you mix that and I'm going to pour it into here and we'll see how they turn out. I thought I'd just share this because it's a good quick recipe. My daughter is sleeping, so while she's sleeping I'm like, you know, just whip it up really fast. Literally took me like 5 minutes. Right guys, so there's the brownie in the pan. And I did kind of a thin layer. It'll probably rise a little. But anyways, that's what it looks like. And I'm about to throw her in. And we'll see how they turn out. Oh yeah guys, so I put it in there for 350 degrees. And I will find out how long. I think it's like 10 to 15 minutes. Oh yeah guys, so I just checked and it is for 15 minutes at 350 degrees. Or until your toothpick comes out clean. So I'm gonna leave this bad boy in here. And we wait. Alright guys, this is what the brownies turned out like. I put them in a bowl. I think I overbaked a little bit because after my timer went off, I waited a couple minutes, which I should have turned them off right away. But they're good. They're really good. They're just kind of plain, so you might want to frost them with like some fudge frosting or something. But yeah, they're really cute and little, and if you want to take them somewhere or like to a little party or something, really yummy. Alright, that's it.